Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be testing out this magic bath crackles.
Yeah, with water in this.
Yeah, so we're gonna put water in here. We have a little faucet right here. Everything's okay. So we're not gonna put it all in, but like in a bath you would.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm gonna fill it up with water. And it says the more you move it around, like the more they're supposed to like pop and fizz and stuff. Alright, so we have, okay.
Right here.
Okay.
You will see in a minute.
Yeah.
Close the door.
Okay, so we're gonna pour the little pop fizz thing in here, and apparently this is supposed to like pop and fizz and stuff. Close it up, because
Why?
it goes.
Don't hear it.
Okay.
Don't pour it in there. I'm gonna shut this door.
Okay.
Okay, now pour it in.
Okay. So like I don't know if y'all can hear that or not. Like can
You hear that? Yeah, like.
yeah. So like you can't really see anything.
But look.
Alright, so we're gonna pour it
Wow.
a little bit more.
Yeah, we're gonna pour a little bit more. Yeah, see?
Yeah, she's gonna be stirring it. I'm going to be pouring it. Alright, that's enough. Okay. That's I'm hearing like fizz, a crackle, a pop, so like they're all of those three. So
No pop.
yeah, like once they fizz once, they won't fizz again, but they also do kind of fizz for a while. So
And they pop and all that.
yeah. Like once you get them wet, they like get into like little bitty clumps and stuff. Like the other one we used just a minute ago, that's why our hair is all wet, is we took a bath and we tested out this one. And obviously we can show you guys because we had no clothes on. But
We didn't wash our hair. Was just checking out. We didn't wash our hair, nothing.
yeah,
And we jumped. And we got back in, and then
yeah, like we didn't wash our hair. All we did was get into like test this thing, and then like as soon as we got out, you know, we got dried off and everything. Our grand walks in and it's like, okay, so did y'all, you know, like wash anything? I'm like, no. Like all we do is get in, test this thing. She's like, oh yeah, since you put soap in your hair, like it will look weird not washing it. So like,
yeah,
oh, man. So we had to get back in and get all wet again and do that again. Alright, do you need more? What is that good?
more.
We're going to put in this giant piece. Be like, I want to feel it fizz. Okay. I can feel it fizzing. It's weird.
Yeah, it's so cool. What?
Yeah, see, like once they're all wet, they get into like clumps and stuff. So they like try and stick to whatever they can. Now that this hand's wet, I cannot put my hand in this. I'm just gonna kind of do this, make sure that none of them are like, this is what it looks like inside. Like they're like all blue and pink and stuff.
Yeah,
No,
do
blue
they have
for,
any
like,
purple?
this color and then pink for like this color. So
Do they have purple?
no, they do not have purple.
Yeah, they have purple. They don't. Yeah,
Okay, like, look for yourselves. Do you guys see any purple?
Yeah. Hi,
Uh-huh.
guys.
He must be colorblind or something. And so, like, in the back, you know, you're supposed
Don't
to,
put any more.
yeah. So, like, in the back, you're supposed to be, like, sprinkling it and everything. You know, and
then we put it back, and then we got back in and washed our hair.
Yeah, like, okay, here's our pack from whenever we took a bath. It's, like, completely empty, and it's still kind of wet. Like it. Here's the whole pack that we used in our bath.
Yeah.
It's all sticky inside. Oh my god, the water turned blue. The water turned blue. In our bath, the water turned purple.
Yeah. And now it's turning blue. Look at that.
Oh, it must maybe from like that giant blue one. Like, okay, let me try and find a giant pink one. There are like no giant pink ones, only giant blue ones.
Yeah, that's so weird.
So yeah. Okay.
If I keep stirring it, it might turn in pink.
Alright, I want to put my hand. I don't feel anything.
I feel one right here.
Like, they do kind of dissolve.
And look.
And I'm just saying, so like, you know, it won't be like, oh my god, picking this all up will be like a disaster. Yeah. So picking one up won't be like a disaster or anything. They dissolve, so whenever you get out, there's like nothing left. So yay. No, you know, that's like the best thing you can have.
No.
Right?
Right. Right. Are you supposed to do that?
Okay, stop doing that. Okay, so that will be it for this video. So yeah, there was a faucet right there. So it's like so cool, right? Right? So yeah, that will be it for this video. Put down in the comments if you want to do this again. So yeah, bye. Subscribe and like down below. If you are new here, subscribe. Bye. See you next time.
Can we watch the video?